Welcome to Peaches and Cream, y'all. Today we're making white chocolate almond cookies. I will be giving y'all the recipe in cups and in grams, and I will also have those in the description box as well. Let's start out with 3/4 of a cup, that's 170 grams of soft butter, a 1/4 cup, that's 65 grams of cream cheese, 1 cup, that's 235 grams of regular white sugar, a 1/2 cup, that's 130 grams of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Add 1 egg and mix well. Alright, so now we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to add 3 cups, that's 390 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. When the dough is just combined, we're going to add 1 cup, that's 130 grams of chopped almonds, and 1 cup, that's 145 grams of chopped white chocolate. And mix the dough thoroughly. I like to use my hands at this point because the dough is really stiff and it's just easier that way. You'll know that the dough is the right consistency if it's not sticking to your hands too terribly while you're mixing it. It can stick a little bit, but you definitely don't want it to be wet and all over your hands. If it is really wet, then just add a little bit more flour. Sometimes that can just be because you didn't measure your flour exactly, or maybe even because of the humidity level. Scoop the dough by heaping tablespoons and roll it in the palms of your hands to get it smooth and round. Alright, so then we're going to refrigerate these cookies for about 20 to 25 minutes, and meanwhile preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 20 to 25 minutes, remove them from the refrigerator and bake them for 10 minutes or until they're a light golden brown. Let them cool completely on the baking sheets, and when they're cool, store them in a Ziploc bag or airtight container. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching.